What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how to connect TradingView to Webull. So before we get started, if you guys want to support the channel and don't have a TradingView account already, we will leave our referral link in the description below. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to tradingview.com here and basically just log in into your account. So usually at the top right you have that login option. Just go ahead and just log in. Now from here you want to access one of the charts here. So I'm currently viewing the chart for Netflix here, but since we want to view this full, let's go and click on full chart here. And in here, what we need to do next is we need to go to the very bottom here, and you'll see a bunch of things here. So you have the stock, a few things like the buy and editor, strategy tester here, but we also have the trading panel option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, what we need to do is you'll see the paper trading option here, but you need to click the all brokers option. Let's go and click on it. Now, there are going to be a lot to choose from here, but what we're looking for is going to be Webull specifically. So just scroll down a bit here, look for Webull. So it's going to be in this section. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, it's going to basically give you some details first. So learn more about Webull Japan, compare with other trusted brokers here. But if you want to proceed, just click on Connect. It should open up a new tab or a new page here, which in this case, you just need to basically fill out the necessary details. So in this case, just log in into your account, and once you've logged in, it should automatically connect your account, or in this case, your Webull account directly into your TradingView account here. But you might be wondering, hey, that's for Japan. But in this case, also when you go back into the trading panel here, you'll also see the option here for just Webull. So you could go and just click on Webull. Then again, just click on Connect and log in into your account. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.